Hi and welcome to the Photographer Academy. I'm Mark Cleghorn, the Training Director. The Photographer Academy is an online training resource for photographers based on streaming video, of course. Whether you're a seasoned pro, a hobbyist, we've got training films there to inspire you and encourage you to take better photographs every single day, no matter where you are in the world. Our video content covers a wide variety of photography topics. Everything from fashion to food, kids to landscapes, you name it, we've got it. So if you're a hobbyist, we've got the basics and beyond. If you're a seasoned pro, we've got the advanced skills and techniques. We cover real life client shoots as well as out on location as well as in studio. Of course, we've got lots of software films, including Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom with some software plugins as well. We love to get interactive with you. That's why we've got these live webinars every month with specialist photographers joining us from around the world. I also like to get interactive with you live online. That's why I do twice a month photo critiques. This is a great opportunity for you to submit an image each time and for me to give you instant feedback. This really does help you move your photography at such a pace you won't believe it. You can access our content from wherever you are in the world as long as you've got an internet connection. Obviously, with HD now, you can actually watch us full screen on a desktop as well as on a tablet and any smartphone device. Academy looks at the hobbyist, which kind of covers the more basic films, the more basic software films, really encouraging you to move your photography to that next level if you're a keen amateur. Whichever membership you join up to, you've got to make sure it's right for you, but don't worry, you can upgrade at any stage. We offer a full 7-day money-back guarantee on anybody who joins the Academy. That's how confident we are. That's enough from me. Go and join up. We'll see you inside. Take care.